No, I set my dials all
let's
back.
go. Let's go.
Okay guys,
Yeah.
welcome to Slot Car Racing Edmonton. We are hosting the Hypercars 2025/2026. We have Mike Inkster, Ryan Pruden, Kevin Ratcher. We're gonna be racing how many groups of cars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groupings of cars. The first 2 groupings will have 2 cars only, and we will have a pace car, so that we have 3 cars for each round robin. And first up is,
Number 38, ALS. Number 5, Redliner.
okay. So we've already had a little practice adjustment of the controllers and that, so we can start the proxy race now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Looking good.
Lap.
Good job, guys.
2 minutes left. Fifth lap. Fifth lap. Halfway through the heat. New driver record. New driver record. Thirty seconds left.
That was a pace car, wasn't it?
New driver record. 20 seconds left. Driver best lap. 10 seconds left. 5 seconds left. Heat over.
Okay,
Yeah.
so
Yeah, going back. Oh,
give me yellow laps.
Yellow, 16.55.
Fast lap.
Yellow fast lap, 10.675.
Number 5.
Which is what color?
blue.
Blue. Blue is 16.7.
Fast lap.
10.426.
Okay. So we've got number 38 to blue.
Now you can
ALS.
pass it back to us.
Yeah, bring him in, guys. 38 to blue, 5 to white, and pilot pace car to yellow.
Go to 38 to.
38 to blue,
Okay.
5 to white, and pace car to yellow.
So we'll do 1 bar and we get a minute to,
Okay.
if we need it. That's a lot different. Oh. Oh, yeah, that one's got some jam.
That's 30K.
Yeah.
Ryan.
Go. Yeah.
Ryan. Mike couldn't help himself.
Never been this quiet.
Trying to behave, that's all.
You told us.
That's
You
because
told
you
us.
told us we can't say any bad words.
You
Yeah.
told us to shut up.
Yeah. Boss is yelling at us.
Itchy finger.
All right, you guys ready?
Never.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! New heat leader.
Anything on there?
Best heat lap. Best heat lap. Best heat lap. Two minutes left. Best heat lap. Halfway through the heat. Best heat lap. Best heat lap. 60 seconds left. Best heat lap. 30 seconds left. 20 seconds left. 10 seconds left. 5 seconds left. Heat over.
Okay, like out twice. What's wrong with you guys?
There goes my shirt. Smashed rental place. Beat up the rental car.
Okay. Blue.
Blue, 16.15.
15. 1-5.
16.
Fast lap.
Fast lap, 10.545.
White.
16 point.
16.90.
Fast lap.
10.264.
Okay. So we got 38 to white and 5 to yellow, and the pace car to blue.
We get a car. Oh, wait.
Got to inspect for damages when you return the rental car.
Talk my lawyer.
You didn't sign any waivers?
Kevin, I'll pay you to run it into the corner.
No, don't be like that.
No, you're running the pace car now.
No.
No, I am.
Oh, are you?
Yeah. Yeah, Kevin did
Oh,
last
sorry.
time.
Yeah. Well, in that case, we should just let Barack run it, and then it'll be just
Whiskey throttle come out.
straight. Just to run the ghost car.
You guys are nasty. Nasty.
As long as you pay me.
Yeah, who do you need taken out, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, practice.
It's nice to know you can keep up.
Forgot about that.
Yeah, those cars are
That's a-
completely different.
Catches you off guard.
Good thing no time stop with your car went.
Oh, what? Sorry?
Good thing the time stop.
Oh, yeah.
Well, yeah. Surprised you're not eating popcorn watching, Brock.
Surprised he's not having a nap over there.
Oh, I'm sure we'll hear it soon. I'm bored.
Yeah.
Why do I get the raise?
I'm hungry.
I'm thirsty.
No, not now.
After he's hungry, he's thirsty. It's salty.
Then he's thirsty.
Like way before that, because I'm thirsty.
Alright. Ready, gentlemen?
Yeah, ready?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! New heat leader. This heat lap. New race leader. New heat leader.
Is there any way to get rid of
New race leader. 2 minutes left. New race leader. New race leader. New race leader. Halfway through the heat. New race leader. New race leader. New race leader. Seconds left. New race leader. New heat leader. Thirty seconds left. Twenty seconds left. Ten seconds left. 5 seconds left. Race over.
Nicely done, guys. Okay, so what have we got on white?
16.50.
Last lap.
10.439.
Yellow.
16.
5-5.
Last lap.
Best lap for yellow, 10.667.
Okay, these all come off. Next group are coming on. So go hit the button again to restart it. Or you're gonna have to restart. I think you gotta reset.
Oh,
it.
yeah.
Yeah.
We do it right here. We have to just. No. There we go. Oh yeah, she gets another round in her.
Breaking it in, eh?
Yeah, we got 13 and 34.
So yes, we went 13 on yellow, 34 on blue. The pace car on white.
Mike's already cleaned the piece car. Oh, there's
White.
yeah.
Some race music in the background because it's getting too quiet.
Yeah.
Because Leon won't let us talk, we won't trash talk each other, so it's kind of getting boring now. Trash talk is no fun.
No banter allowed.
We're also hungry, waiting for that
You just
delivery
use
car.
it. Yeah. The problem is the delivery vehicles aren't here.
Yeah.
I think we gotta call somebody like by the name of Marcus and get him to bring us something.
Alright, here's our practice. It's got two motors, bro. Yeah, they're side by side.
That's something different.
It actually drives pretty cool, or good too.
Feels good, eh?
Oh, watch out there.
It's
Yeah.
got some extra weight. It kind of makes it
Blue
different.
lane, bro. Thank you, bud.
Kudos for trying it though. I mean, it's an interesting concept.
All right.
Yeah.
Oh, that's my cousin.
Drove through the pits.
Cassie.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Shouldn't do your tires because you pass it.
That's right. I was thinking the same.
Give him a lick.
That extra juice on the tires.
Good?
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! New heat leader. Fifth lap. Fifth lap. Fifth lap. Two minutes left. Halfway through the heat. Fifth lap. Seconds left. Fifth lap. Thirty seconds left. Twenty seconds left. New driver record left. 5 seconds left. Heat over.
All right. We got for yellow.
1735.
35. Last lap.
9.565.
Blue.
16.65.
Yep.
And last lap.
9.638.
9.638. Okay. So we got 13 to blue and 34 to white.
Here's the key.
That's cool.
Yeah.
The rear axle is split too.
Yeah, it's weird how it's like that, eh? Kind of like not what you expect, like
Drives really good.
right?
It's just that's a little
34 white, 13 blue.
Yes.
when it transfers, it does something just a little weird.
Okay, in the corners,
Yeah. When it kind of switches over the weight.
right?
Just practice.
Yep. It's a practice.
Oh, the trash is good.
Yeah. Rental pace cars. Good thing it's a club car.
Drive like you stole.
We had to slow down that pace car a bit.
Take the sandbags out.
I'll put a few more in, Mike. Can't help it, Ryan. Can't help it.
That didn't feel quite right. I'm sorry.
These two are Peugeots, eh? Two Peugeots. Yeah, definitely a different feeling with those two motors.
It's got really good torque when you're taking off. Like it's real smooth. And
Yeah, it is really smooth.
Probably all the weight sitting on the back end. Gets it out.
Okay, we're good.
Yep.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. New heat leader. New driver record. Two minutes left. Halfway through the heat. New race leader. 60 seconds left. New race leader. New race leader. Thirty seconds left. 20 seconds left. 10 seconds left.
Turn around and turn around.
5 seconds left. Heat over.
Got my
Oh,
star.
slid through. Nice. Okay, what we got from blue? How many laps?
It is. It's almost like those two.
18.0.
0? Really?
Over there, whatever's fine.
Fast lap?
9.656.
White?
White is 18.6. Best lap 9.185.
Okay.
Oh, one more. Right?
One more what? Oh, I'm just checking something.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, one more.
13 to white, 34 to yellow.
Okay, sir. Guys, when you're trailing at those two motors, you watch it in the corner, you watch the rear end kind of hot. It's almost
Kevin,
like
is
the
this
other
going past
bike
your
or
bedtime
something.
tonight?
The way they both
Yeah.
torque at the same time. If you
Really late.
you set it too hard in the corner,
I know, me too. I
it
gotta
hits
someone
some
find
kind of
something.
tires.
Feels
Yeah.
like the
Find
bine's
a
just a
snow
tiny
bank
bit,
with some-
hey?
Maybe
One
it's
point.
like
Someone or something,
just
'cause
the
there's no food anymore.
torque hitting them both at the same time.
Just chips.
I don't find it bad on the exit, just like
No.
mid. But other than that, it drives really nice.
It does.
The
It's
only
really
limit is the
smooth.
one bag and there's
It's
small.
a neat design, neat idea.
It's just I'm driving with the girls.
Oh, you got the girls with you? Yeah.
No, yeah, yeah. It's too long in between the heats.
Did you do something to Mike's car when you were gone there, or what?
Good squirrel.
Something really special for him.
Put more sandbags in his car? Wear off as much of his tires as possible.
What do you think, Kevin?
Sorry?
Different, isn't it? It's kind of neat.
That's surprising.
Yeah.
Good.
Thought.
I'd give him win for engineering, that's for sure.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! New heat leader. Best heat lap. Best heat lap. Best heat lap. Best heat lap. Driver getting wet left. Driver best lap. Halfway through the heat. Best heat lap.
You have to put a sandbag back in there, keep the car down.
60 seconds left. Driver left lap.
Ooh. Start.
Eight.
Thirty seconds left. 20 seconds left. 10 seconds left. 5 seconds left. Race over.
Good job, guys. So, what do we have for white?
18.75,
Fast lap?
9.270.
Yellow?
18.60.
Fast lap?
9.491.
Perfect. So these all come off now. So the next set will be, there'll be no pace car in the next set. It'll be three contestants. So the pace car comes off. Give me Mike's car. I want to see it, the pace car. I got to do some adjustment on it.
Wasn't driving as good. I think Kevin backed some screws out.
I told him to take the nub screw out for the wheels, but he
Okay,
didn't
we have
listen.
number 11.
So we got number 11 in yellow, 4 in blue, 2 in white. We got number 11 Stevie V, number 4 Aloha, and number 2 Oscar Racing.
It's a pretty dog, right? Tires are back.
Reset it, Brian. Right. Later.
Practice.
You're good to boogie. I want the supercharger.
Yeah, it's got a high gear too. Loaded. Good job. Aloha.
Don't pop.
Okay, we're good?
Yeah.
Get ready.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Guys,
Prox.
rock.
New race leader.
One of 3 stories your last
Driver
video.
left lap. Driver left lap.
Yeah. First action you've seen pretty much.
Forgets that it happened.
Throttle left lap. Throttle left lap. 2 minutes left.
That thing sounds amazing down straightaway.
Yeah, it's a pretty nice car.
Throttle left lap. Halfway through the heat. Sixty seconds left. Throttle left lap. 30 seconds left. Twenty seconds left. Ten seconds left. 5 seconds left. Heat over.
You're on, guys. What do we got for yellow? Number 11, yellow.
17.40,
Lap.
9.572.
Blue.
16.75,
Okay. That's lap.
9.482.
White.
1790. 9.263.
Sorry, 9.263.
Yeah.
Okay. Number 11 to blue, 4 to white, 2 to yellow.
4 to
White.
4 to white, 11 to blue, 2 to yellow.
Ooh, 1 blue. Okay. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Ooh, one break on that one.
Yeah, lots of brakes. And it's smooth. Lacking traction a little bit.
No practice. Fine, look.
Like, what? I didn't hear a countdown.
Still check.
You're still playing with my knobs.
Hey, PG
Getting
here.
it adjusted.
Yeah, it runs good. It's smooth. It just needs to break.
Yeah. Feels like you can't put the power down though. Just doesn't have the.
Right.
It's nice, smooth, and doesn't like kick out or anything, but or it doesn't chatter or anything. I guess.
Yeah, it doesn't chatter.
Alright, good?
Yeah, good.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! New heat leader. Best heat lap. Best lap. Driver best lap. New driver record. Two minutes left. Driver best lap. Halfway through the heat. Driver best lap. Seconds left. Driver best lap. 30 seconds left. Twenty seconds left. Ten seconds left. 5 seconds left. Heat over.
Oh, jeez. So close.
At least you're close enough to the start line for the next race. Okay, so what we got? So blue, please.
18.15,
Fast lap.
9.706.
White.
White is 19. 15? Did I cross?
No, 40.
Oh, sorry.
1940.
40. Fast lap.
9.118.
Yellow.
1895.
Fast lap.
9.326.
Okay. 11 to white. 4 to yellow. 2 to blue.
Did the tires on that guy already?
Put the tape here.
Play on after this. Give it 5 minutes. We're halfway there.
Okay.
So guys, after this will be the last one of this heat, and then we'll take a little break because I can see Kevin jonesing there a little bit on the front.
White?
He's getting a little bit
Oh,
shaky.
please.
It's like literally 15 minutes past his bedtime.
Don't worry about Kevin.
Oh, we do worry about Kevin.
Kevin is just fine.
Ooh.
He's sleeping at the wheel.
Told you.
You haven't found the snack bin yet, bro? You can have this one in a sec. Oh. Already,
Yeah, it's including this one. It's a refresh.
Yeah. It's crazy how much different they are between cars.
Yeah, it really is. Okay, good. Good.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! New race leader. 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 2 minutes left. New race leader. New race leader. New race leader. Halfway through the heat. New race leader. New race leader. New race leader. 60 seconds left. New race leader. New race leader. New race leader. Thirty seconds left. New race leader. 20 seconds left. New race leader. 10 seconds left. 5 seconds left. Race over.
Man, that was one consistent race. The best laps.
That was good.
The amount of laps, that was very close.
We're all very close.
Way to go, boys. Wish I didn't crash, that's all.
Yeah.
White.
19.05.
Lap.
9.330.
Yellow.
Yellow, 18.8,
Lap.
9.341.
Blue.
Blue is 18.55,
Lap.
9.305.
305.
9.305.
Off.
Okay, guys. Smoke him if you got him.
I'm gonna
That's halfway out.
Oh, you got this? Oh, right here.
Yeah, the wings are pretty thin on that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So the next will be up, will be 24-0 and 59.
You're driving the wheels off the cars.
Yeah.
I'm in trouble there.
You're driving the wheels off all their cars.
That was pretty.